Hai, Assalamualaikum to viewers and my lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Fauzi bin Ismail. My name is Ahmad Shafie bin Saiful Anuar with student ID 2018400148 from class EMD 7M7A. Today I will be presenting on my mini project for subject course Occupational Safety and Health MEC 603 entitled OSH Implementation in EngMech Sdn. Go through the content first. First and foremost, we will look into the introduction, followed by part A, facilities for OSH. Then we go through part B, type of hazard that may happen. After that, we continue with part C, emergencies procedure. And lastly, we look into OSH management system. EngMech has 3 plants located in Puchong, EMP1, EMP2, and EMP3. Another plant located in South Peninsula Malaysia, which is in Pasir Gudang, Johor, EMP4. EngMech Sdn also have few branches outside of Malaysia, in Singapore, Indonesia, and Cambodia. So this company is specialist to fabricate stainless steel tanks, conveyor, platform, machinery for powder and liquid sector. Which is pharmaceutical, palm oil refinery, biotech, oil and gas, dairy product, aviation, food and beverage, and marine. So for part A, in EngMech plant, at the working area is fully equipped with safety signage. This is very important to give information to the workers and any person who pass by the working area. Then next, site PPE inspection form. EngMech Safety Department EngMech Safety Department will do inspection at site project that conduct by EngMech. This is to check either the PPE according to the guideline or not. Then the fire extinguisher checklist. As the EngMech company do hot work such as welding, grinding, and cutting process, fire extinguisher is important equipment as safety precaution to avoid fire from happen and avoid them from become worse. Hence, the fire extinguisher must be checked regularly according to the schedule. This is also will be done by the safety department. Next, EngMech plant also is fully equipped with safety walkway for the worker and anybody to pass through the working area. This is because there are a lot of huge machinery and tools that have at the working area. So this is a safety precaution to avoid any accident from happen. Then part B, first hazard that may occur is mechanical hazard. As the worker use machinery and tools, there are possible accident that can happen such as cut on the bodies, crushing injuries. So to avoid this accident from happen, provide safety training and procedure control when contact with the machine to the workers. The workers also have to wear proper and suitable personal protective equipment during the work. Next is chemical hazard. There are also some usage of chemical substance during the production. So, such as high concentrated acid. So, this chemical may adverse health effect to the workers due to the chemical exposure. So, to avoid this, by providing safety training to the workers how to handle the chemical substance during doing and after finishing the job. The workers also need to wear complete suitable PPE during the job, during doing the job. Next is ergonomic hazard. When the worker pick up heavy tools or material by their own, it also may cause injuries that related to health problems such as musculoskeletal disorder such as osteoporosis or traumatic fracture. So to avoid this, the employer must ask the employee to have a team or buddy during the lift any heavy material or tools. This practice must be done in a team to avoid any accident. Fourth, the biological hazard also may happen because the worker doing job as a team, so there are possible to expose direct and indirect pandemic disease such as COVID-19 via human contact. So to avoid this from any worst case, the engineer or supervisor need to monitor the worker's health. If there is any worker that do not feeling well or in worst case need to get treatment, so send them immediately to hospital or clinic to get any medical treatment. Next is psychological hazard. This hazard also may happen if there is lack of control over working activities in a time, or the employee also may mistreat or harm or harass by their workmate or anybody that do offensive action to them that may causing injury to the workers or workers physical or mental. So to avoid this, the employer create an organization culture that value worker input to lead to enhance worker mutual relationship. So next part C, this is emergency procedure. So this is the flow chart of emergency procedure. After any accident or incident happen, first thing need to know is who was injured. Next info that need to know is what kind of injury, and then follow by the action. For example, one of the employee getting injured at the workplace need to be record the accident in JKKP 8 form. If there is any bad injury or worst case fatality happen in the working area, notify DOSH State Office immediately and send report using form JKKP 6 or 7 within 7 days from the accident happen. Okay, so this is JKKP 6 and 7 form. This is JKKP 9, 8 and 9 form. This is JKKP 10 form. Okay, for last part, part D, OSH management system. OSH management system is in organization that responsible in managing, supervising, and providing a safety working area by ensure compliance with the law, demonstrate that all hazards are adequate, manage and achieve continuous improvement in safety environment performance. The management system is structured around the ISO standard framework of the Deming cycles concept. First, plan, do, check, and act. Next, standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure is an action procedure that compliance with the law of the industry and standard approved by the industry. SOP commonly referred as a report that correspond with the method of the operation. So that's all from me. Thank you.